Hey guys, my name is Sanju from Built to Made, and I'm here with Ryobi today to show you how you can get a thicker, healthier lawn with this dethatcher. Let's get started. So you guys might be wondering, what is thatch? Well, thatch is this brown spongy layer that builds up between your grass and your soil. So Ryobi has created this product to help you remove that thatch so that water, nutrients, and air can get to the soil to help promote a healthier lawn. So we have a two-in-one product here. We have a dethatching comb, and then we have a scarifier or aerator that cuts a little bit more aggressively. And you want to use the dethatcher during early spring or late fall, and then you want to use the aerator so that you can use it during the growing season so that the grass has a chance to rebound. So I got the dethatching comb on, and I'm gonna make a couple of passes without the bag so that you can visually see how much thatch I'll pull out. So I know everything looked okay before, but check out all this thatch that we pulled out from below the surface. Now you have a chance to grow a beautiful, thicker, healthier lawn. I'm gonna make a few more passes with the bag on, and we'll wrap this up. Check out all this thatch that we just pulled out, and we haven't even covered the entire lawn. In a couple of months, I'll be throwing on the aerator for deeper cuts for the best lawn in the neighborhood. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Sanju from Built to Made. Talk to you guys soon.